In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable auto-renew on Bluehost web hosting if you're trying to avoid unexpected charges or you simply want more control over when your hosting renews. Turning off auto-renew is an important step. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with the Bluehost dashboard. First, you'll need to sign into your Bluehost account manager. Open your web browser, go to the Bluehost website, and log in using your usual account credentials. Make sure you're logging into the main account that owns the hosting plan you want to change. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your account's main dashboard, sometimes called the account manager or home area. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical sidebar menu with different sections for your account, websites, marketplace, and more. In that sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Billing. This is where Bluehost keeps your payment information, invoices, and renewal settings for the products you've purchased. When you click the billing section, the main area on the right side of your screen will update. In this right-hand pane, look for a tab or section called Renewal Center. This Renewal Center is essentially a control panel for all of your active Bluehost services. It will display a list of every active product tied to your account, such as your web hosting plans, domain names, and any professional email services you might be using. Take a moment to carefully scan through this list. You're specifically looking for your web hosting plan. The name may include the type of hosting you purchased, such as a basic or plus plan, but it will be clearly marked as web hosting. If you have multiple hosting plans or domains, make sure you identify the correct one so you don't accidentally change the settings for the wrong product. Once you've located your web hosting plan, look across the row for a column labeled Auto Renew. This column shows whether Bluehost is currently set to automatically renew that particular product when it reaches its expiration date. If auto renew is enabled, you'll see a toggle switch that's currently in the on position. To disable auto renew, simply click that toggle switch and set it to off. When you do this, Bluehost will stop automatically charging you for that hosting plan at the end of the current term. Instead, the plan will be set to expire on its renewal date unless you manually renew it before it ends. After you flip the switch, watch for any small confirmation messages or color changes that indicate the setting has been updated. It's a good idea to double check that the auto renew status for your web hosting plan now clearly shows that it is turned off. You may also want to note down the expiration date displayed in the renewal center so you know how long your hosting will remain active, and that's all there is to it. By signing into your account manager, going to the billing area, opening the renewal center, finding your hosting plan, and switching auto renew to off, you've successfully taken control of your Bluehost web hosting renewals.